One plant, three uses. Today is on lavender, and this is a garden edition. So lavender in the garden can be used in three ways. The first one being that it actually repels sensitive-nosed animals, specifically deers, rabbits, and squirrels. And that's because its strong scent makes it a little bit less appetizing for them to come near the garden. And so it might not protect all of your plants, but they won't stay along too long. And and because of its strong scent, it'll actually keep animals from eating it itself, which means that it'll last longer in the garden, which goes to the second reason that you should use it in the garden, and that's for harvesting. It makes these beautiful purple flowers, which you can use in small bouquets, or you can gather a bunch of them and use them in aromatherapy or any other reason, which makes it a great addition to any garden. The last reason is actually placement. So lavender actually doesn't like to be in standing water, but it also likes sunlight, which makes it an ideal candidate for any place that is a little bit too difficult for plants that need a lot of care. Specifically, areas in your garden that have a lot of sunlight, but are also pretty dry because water doesn't stay there. If there's too much water, the plant will unfortunately die pretty fast. And so it's actually better to put this in a place where it gets a little bit less water than you think, as opposed to a little bit more water than you think. So those are three uses for lavender in the garden, and you should follow Sunbee for more ways to connect horticulture and human culture.